Let's get into the most important and most asked question. Viru, should I start freelancing or should I start agency? Okay, let's get that detailed information in this video. Hey guys, my name is Virender Chowdhury. People know me as Hello Viru, and I create content on making money online and freelancing. By the way, I own a company called Trader School where it will help you to learn, earn, and scale as a freelancer. So let's get into the topic without getting any time waste. Okay, so let me give you a small story about me. How did I start it? So as a freelancer, I just started with laptop and an internet connection. Nothing else is needed, right? So I started my career as a freelancer and started looking out for some clients, and I've got few clients on digital marketing, and I started working with them. Eventually, I did not know what exactly I need to do, how I need to generally get ROI to the clients, but I got the clients because I'm a sales guy and I know how to get the clients, and I got the clients. The thing is, like, I've got one client, I work with them, two clients, I work with them, three clients, I work with them, four clients, I work with them. But at a certain point of time, I'm unable to cater more clients and unable to make more money as a freelancer. But my income is consistent. Okay. So I started my company in 2017. Before that, I used to do freelancing. Okay. So for few months, and I've got few clients and I've worked with them. But the problem here is I have a time constraint. No, I cannot work more than 12 to 14 hours in a day in order to make some consistent income. Let us imagine I'm making 50,000 rupees every month. So if I want to make 70,000 rupees, I do not have time because I can work only 12 to 14 hours on a client, right? Not more than that. So then I started my freelancing career into an agency where I started my first employee. Okay. So first employee I hired is digital marketer who can take care of client. Okay, then what I did is, like, eventually I shifted my freelancing into a agency, because eventually if I want to make more money, I recommend you to start with freelancing, work with few clients, then start hiring few people. Okay, Viru, I cannot hire few people because I do not have knowledge. As a Trader School team, we are going to help you out in hiring your first few employees. It could be part-time, it could be full-time, or it could be project-based. We are going to help you out. Do not worry on it much. Okay, so I'll tell you steps to follow. So master a skill as a freelancer. Anyway, you have, if I'm not wrong, you're watching this video because you want agency or freelancing. If you do not have, check the descriptions. I have few skills mentioned. Online digital marketing course, which will cost you only 2,999. You can enroll into that program and you can master one craziest skill in 2025 and the most demanding one, by the way. So once you master the skill, start as a freelancer. Okay, I don't want you to keep a agency like company name, registrations, and investing some money for office expenses, hiring people, HR. No, don't go with that. So first you work as a freelancer and start getting few clients, like one client, two client, three client. Work with them, closely work with them, and start understanding client requirements and start providing them value by proving that you are a best person to work with that skill, and you can provide some ROI, return on investment, to that. And eventually, still, I'm not asking you to start an agency. There is a middle phase where you can outsource your work to a freelancer or to a part-time employee or a full-time employee by not just having an agency. Start looking to hire your first 1, 2, 3 people. Who is the most important? So as a freelancer, you shouldn't hire people based on like what you require. You need to hire your first 1, 2, 3 people where they can help you to save your time. Okay, imagine your 10 hours of time on a daily basis, divide it where you're spending most of the time. Whether you can automate that by hiring a staff or not, there you need to find out a candidate where he or she can save your time, where you can work on that time to growing your income. Once you've got your first few set of employees, like 5 people, then transit that into an agency. Okay, now freelancer, then middle point is hiring your first few employees, then shift that into an agency, which is most important thing. Once you started agency, then all the legalities will come. Offer letter, company playbook, like in the sense like what exactly you have in the company, roles and responsibilities of an employee, what is their deadline, what is their ultimate goal to achieve. So everything will come into place. That's a complete different phase. So I want you to start with this, as if you are going into deciding like, should I start freelancing or should I start agency? My recommendation is to start with freelancing and then start few clients and then getting into agency side. Okay, in order to grow your business to 10, 20, 100 or 500 CR, agency is the best to transit, because I don't want you to work like a robot continuously. So in Trido School, we follow a pattern. The pattern is, you entered as like a newbie into this world. How you entered, okay? Like you will entered here like a newbie. So Trido School will help you to learn a skill in the first 3 months. Okay, then Trido School will help you to become a freelancer by getting few clients. Then Trido School will help you to onboard the client and work with the client like a project to help. Then again, Trido School will help you to hire your first few set of employees. It could be part-time, full-time, freelancing. Then Trido School will help you to become a freelancer to an entrepreneur. Okay, so that's the transition what we follow. It's not like just continuously work till your life as a freelancer for 10 hours, 12 hours and make a consistent income. No, you have to transit your career to a freelancer to an entrepreneur. That's the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, like this and share it with your friends. Do consider subscribing my channel and turn on the bell notification, because I'm gonna provide a lot of content on freelancing and making money online. See you.